Good luck theme park update is now available on my Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you have used the good luck module, you can see the new theme park update. What's the new in this update? Let's see in this video. So you need to check about this theme park update by open the Galaxy Store on your Samsung device. Open it. Open Galaxy Store. Tap on the three horizon line at the top left corner. Now tap on updates, and here you can see the theme park updates and sound assistant update. So let's see what's the new in this. So now tap on the theme park. So tap on what's new. Here you can see the version 1.0, 1.1.0, 1.43. Improve image loading, stability and performance, UI UX enhancement and landscape mode support for whole device, or overall usability and stability improvement. If you have version 1.1.0, 1.38, you can see the new add a theme bookmarking with heart icon and support for launching bookmarks themes via home screen shortcut. So this is the two updates for the version 1.1.0, 1.43, or if you have installed version 1.1.0, 1.38, you can see the new heart icon and support for the bookmark theme via the home screen shortcut. So these two update available. Just tap on it on your device. Tap on update at the bottom to update theme park module. So tap on the update. Make sure internet is working on your device to download and install this update on your device. Now you can see, now install the update on my device. Now tap on the open button to see the changes. If you have used an older version, in the new version 1.1.0, 1.43, you can't see any changes. Just improve the image loading, stability and performance. Or also if you have full device, it will improve the UI enhancement and landscape mode. So now tap on the open button. Now open the theme park plugin on my Samsung device. So if you have a older version, you can see new quick panel settings. Also in the icon, you can see the new emboss effect. So here you can go to effect and you can find new emboss effect in the in the 1.0, 1.1.38 version. We already created video on this emboss effect or glass icon effect in the latest theme park update. So if you want to check, link in the description. Also in the I button, you can apply 3D icon or glass effect. So this is the all important update about the theme park module or theme park plugin on your Samsung Galaxy device. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.